Today's lesson is going to be on multiplying fractions, and this is ready for, obviously, dividing fractions. Here are the steps when you multiply fractions. You change all mixed numbers into improper fractions first. For dividing fractions, you would do KFC, which is keep, flip, change, but multiplying, you do not. Reduce on the inside. You can only reduce up and down and diagonal, not side to side. And this is important so that you can save yourself some work. Multiply the top numbers across, multiply the bottom numbers across, and simplify the resulting fraction if you can. So let's look at a few examples here. All right. So problem number one is if I try to multiply 8 times 15, I'm going to get some big number, and then 12 times 18 over some big number, and then I got to reduce it. So that's not efficient with our math skills. So what we want to do is we want to reduce. I can reduce up and down or diagonal. I just can't reduce side to side. And I could do like 8 can be reduced at 18 or 12. I'm just going to do by 12. So I'm going to say what number goes in both? 4 goes into both. 4 goes into 8 twice, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. Now I could divide this 3 and 15. I could reduce that, or the 15 and 18. I'm just going to do 15 and 18. What goes into both? 3 goes into both. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Now, I can't reduce the 3 into 6 because they're side by side. Let me look for other things I can reduce, and I can't. So I just need to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 6 is 18. Whoa, I can reduce, actually. I could have reduced the 2 into 6, but I missed that. And that's okay. As long as I see at the end that I can reduce. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide each one by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. And that's 5 9. So you might reduce on the inside and then reduce a little bit more, and that's fine. All right, number 2. I see very readily I'm going to reduce to 14 and 28. That's going to go down a lot because 14 goes into 14 once, 14 into 28 goes 2 times. Now, I could do the 15 and 20 or the 20 and 2. Let's see. I'm going to do the 2 and 20. 2 and 20. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 into 20 goes 10 times. Now I can reduce the 10 into 15. 5 goes into both. 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 into 15, 3. Now I just multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. And there's my answer. All right, number 3, let's see. 1 and 5 don't look like they go into anything, so that's not going to help me. But what about 24 and 36? 12 goes into both. 12 goes into 24 2 times. 12 goes into 36 3 times. And I can't reduce anything else. I'm just going to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. And there's my answer. All right, number 4, 9, 12, 48, 56. All right. I see numbers here, so if I can get these down, I'm going to. Let's do 48 and 56. 8 goes into both. 8 goes into 48 6 times. 8 goes into 56 7 times. So that's kind of nice. I knock all those down real good. All right, now what about, let's see, 6 and 12 I'm going to do. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 goes into 12 2 times. All right, let's see. I can't do anything else. I'm just going to multiply. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 7 is 14. And there I have it.